SUBU's Bake Off, and today's edition is making sweet treats for Bonfire Night. I've chosen to show you guys how to make a really simple Rocky Road recipe. So, to do this, you'll need a few ingredients. You will need 200 grams of chocolate. You can have milk chocolate or dark chocolate, it's up to you. 200 grams of digestive biscuits, 135 grams of butter, 2 to 3 tablespoons of golden syrup, 100 grams of mini marshmallows, and then you can add some additional flavours in there just to make it your own. So for example, you might want to choose nuts, but today I've chosen to add in some raisins and some dried fruit. Now, Rocky Road's a really good recipe to use up the things that you've got left over in your cupboard, or if you don't have any of these things, I actually picked them up for really cheap from Aldi, or you could possibly look in Lidl as well. I'm going to get all my ingredients weighed out and then I'll come back and show you the next steps. So I now have all my ingredients weighed out, and I'm just going to show you a couple of other utensils that you're going to need to make your Rocky Road. So I've got my butter, my golden syrup and my chocolate all in this saucepan here, ready to be melted down, and that's going to be step one. I've then got my 200 grams of digestive biscuits, my 100 grams of dried fruit, my 100 grams of marshmallow, and then I've got a big old bowl to mix it in afterwards. I'll be back in a second. I'm just going to melt my chocolate, butter and golden syrup. Whilst we're waiting for the chocolate to melt, the next step is to crush down our digestive biscuits so they're really, really small, so they mix in well with the milk chocolate. So get yourself something similar to a sandwich bag or a plastic bag. Simply pop the digestive biscuits inside, fold it over or seal it up to make sure that none of the crumbs come out, and then find something and to give it a really good whack. Okay, so now we've got our lovely mixture of melted chocolate, butter and golden syrup. We are ready to get mixing everything together. So, first of all, digestive biscuits go in, mini marshmallows go in, and then any other lovely topping that you want to mix in. And I'm throwing in my berries. Then you simply pour in the melted chocolate on top. Make sure you get every single little bit to make it worthwhile. And then I've just got a big wooden spoon and I'm just going to mix it up until everything is combined. Great, okay, so you should have a really thick chocolatey mixture with all of your ingredients mixed together. So now we're ready to pop it in a dish and then pop it in the fridge to set. So what I've got is a square brownie tin here, and I'm going to line it with some baking paper just so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. You can use anything you like really. You can use a glass dish, you can use a round tin, a square tin, it doesn't matter as long as it's deep enough to put all of your mixture in. So I've simply got the baking powder in there, and then I'm just going to pour and spoon all of the mixture in right to the edges. Okay, so now you've got your finished product ready to go into the fridge. It'll probably take about 1 to 2 hours to fully set, so come back soon and we'll take a little look at what it looks like.